Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP Deskjet 2721A. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. I'm going to show you how to scan a document from this printer, okay, using a mobile device. This printer is connected to my mobile device and is connected to the same network. Okay, check my video, you see how we connected this printer to send to Wi-Fi network. What I want to do is to show you how to scan a document. We're going to scan this document. To scan the document, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down, close it. Now go to the app, HP Smart App, select Printer Scanner. Okay, and the printer scanner is ready. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select the paper size, page size. If you are using different paper, then you need to select, if you are using letter, 5x7, 4x6, 3.5 by 5, okay, or A4, then you need to select. So what we selected now is A4 paper. Okay, then you go back. Source is glass scanner. Resolution, select resolution. The maximum you can do resolution is 300 dpi with mobile phone. At the moment it's in 200 dpi. Okay, and color, you can select color or black. At the moment it's in color. Okay, then select, go back again, select start scan. Now this document is scanning. Okay, you can see the document to scan. Now the next you need to do is select next. If you're happy with it, then you select next. Okay, and now if you want to scan another document, to scan the second document, open up the scanner, remove this and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it. Okay, now go to the app, select add on top, add. Okay, do the same thing, select scan. I also want to mention, if you want to scan photo, then you need to select photo. If you want to scan document, you need to select document. So we are scanning document. Okay, select scan. Here we go. So the second document we scan is here. Okay, so you can also make sure that it's full. Okay, if you have it auto, you can make sure that it's full. Okay, once you are ready, select next. Okay, and this is the first and second document we scan. So this is the document we scan. Now if you want to print this document out, you can also print it out. You can also share this document, you can save. So many things you can do with this document. Okay, select print to print it out. Okay, now you select how many copies, page range, color, orientation. If you want more, select more setting, select quality and scaling, then go back, select print. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, so this is the document we scan, printed it out. Now, and it will also show you on the app that our printing job is on the way. Okay, start saving, not now. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is this document. Ideally, when you scan the document, you need to save it, okay, for you to be able to print it. So now, because we didn't save this document, so we'll scan it again. select scan. Okay, make sure you have it full. Okay, select next. Okay, and remove this document. Stick the second one you want to scan on top. Close it. Select add. Scan again. Okay, select full, click next. Okay, this is the first and second one. So we printed this document out. What I want to show you is to save this document, select save. Okay, if you save this document, you can have you can add your name or anything you like to be able to remember. Click save, and this document now is saved. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is to share this document. Okay, via email. Select share. Okay, select share. Also make sure before you share the document, make sure you select PDF. Okay, so that is, and also sharing the file, you can share the actual size or reduce it. Okay, the actual size is 0.6 MB. You can have it medium to reduce it. Click share. Now I give you option to share this via several platforms: email, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to share this via Outlook email. Okay, this document now is attached to my inbox. Okay, I'm going to type the email address of the person I want to send it to. I want to send this back to myself. Click send. Click OK. So this document now is sent to myself. Okay, pretty much our job is done here. The next thing we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, so you go to the inbox. Okay, go to the inbox and wait for this document we sent to the inbox. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, this note to self. This is the document sent to my inbox. Click it open. This is the document to scan and send to my inbox. Okay, so if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So we have been able to scan this document, printed it out, share and save. Okay, thank you. If you want, I also want to mention, if you want to know the document, where the document you save, you go to your file, go to your phone, my file. Okay, go to documents. Okay, and select this is the document. Open it up. Okay, so this is the document we save. Okay, you can also check, you can use the date, or it will also tell you the particular time or the date you save the document. So this is how it works. You just need to go to your file. Okay, go to the file and check the document you save, where you save it, and this is the document here. Okay, thank you very much. This is HP Deskjet 2620. This printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network and also with my laptop. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document with this printer. To scan your document from this HP printer to computer, stick the document you want to scan face down and close it. From the HP Smart App, select scan, and when you select scan, then the next thing to do, you need to select from the setting. The source is glass scan, and advanced preset, you need to select if it's photo, document or book or ID card. What you want to scan is document, and also scan area is A4. If you want to scan the entire area, then you select specific one, letter 4x6, 5x7. What we want to scan is A4. Now output, the next we want to do is we want to scan the output as color. Okay, so scan the output as color. And resolution, the next you scroll down and select the maximum resolution is 1200 dpi when using your computer. So I want to leave it at the moment is in 300 dpi. Then the next to do is for you to select scan or select preview. If you select preview, it gives you option for you to see. If you select preview, for instance, it gives you option for you to see the document you are scanning, what it will look like. So this document now is scanning. Okay, now this is the document we scan. Okay, this is the document we scan. Now, so if you're happy with it, or if you want to select to scan entire area, then you select and scan entire area. Okay, sometimes if you select to scan A4, it will only scan A4. If you want to select entire area, it's a lot bigger, so select scan. Okay, this is the document we scan. If you want to scan another one, okay, what you need to do is you remove this document and stick the second one. So you put the second document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner, face down and close it. Now select add. Okay, if you look on top, you will see add. So select add. Okay, when you select add, it will give you option to do the same thing again. So you select scan, select the entire area and select scan. So now this document is scanning the second page. Okay, so this is the document we scan. Okay, and I'm happy with it. If you want to print this document out, okay, what you need to do, you need to select print. When you select print this document and give it some time for this document to be ready, then also you need to make sure you select correct printer, which is HP Deskjet 2600 series. So scroll down for the printer list, then you select the correct one. And if you're happy from the list, now the other thing is in terms of orientation. So we want this to be in portrait. Okay, and you can see it's in portrait. Now also paper size is A4 paper. Okay, so any particular paper you want to use, you can scroll down and select any particular paper you want to print this document from. So what you want to do is to print this from A4 now, and also scroll, select photo size. Okay, you can see full page. Now select layout, one photo per page or multiple photo per page. You can select one photo per page or multiple photo per page, for instance, and also scroll down. Okay, you can also select more settings. You can select more settings. If you select more settings, for you to change, see paper size A4, plain paper, main source, print quality normal, and print in grayscale or color is in colored, and also can see portrait. Now in this is where you print it on both sides. Okay, print on the other side. So you can select print on both sides manually. You can select flip over, select yes to print on both sides. Okay, and select print. So select OK, and once you select all the stuff you need to select print. Now this document, we're going to print it on both sides. And when printing on both sides is something that I want to show you. Once you print this document print, okay, we need to go put the other document back inside to print on the second page. Okay, you can see this is the document we printed out. Sometimes I do receive questions from people when you scan the document, okay, and want to print it out. Some person have received message that the document they scan shrink. So you need to make sure you print on full page or full surface for you to get this in large format. If you scan this document and want to print it on A4, sometimes it's shorter. So you need to make sure you select print, scan the full page for this document to scan. Now the next thing I want to show you is, now this document we printed out, okay, to print the second page you need to turn it the other way around, upside down, okay, to turn it, okay, so this is the one we printed out, so turn it and put it back inside the paper tray, okay, so put it back inside the paper tray and select continue to be able to print the second page, okay, and now the second page is printing. So this is the document we printed out, we scanned and printed it out double-sided, okay, so this where you save paper. Some printers will do this automatically for you, but sometimes you need to do this by yourself, okay. This printer is using your computer, you need to do this by yourself manually, okay. So now we scanned document, printed it out double-sided. The other thing I want to show you is how to save this document. To save this document you need to select save, okay, select save to save this document, and it will ask you where do you want to save this document. Basic PD, then you select basic PDF, click save. This document now is going to save in my document. Then you can type something to remember it, okay, so you type something to remember, click save, and this document, you can see the file has been saved. Now the other thing I want to show you is how to share this document with others. To share this document you need to select share button, okay, select share image, and it will ask you how do you want to share this. Basic PDF, select share. It will give you option to share this via email, so I'm attached to my email, and this document now is attached to my email. I'm going to send this back to myself. So you type the email address of the person you want to send this to, click send. So you type the subject and also type your email here, okay, then click send. Now this document is sending to my inbox and it's sent now. So pretty much our job is done. The only thing to do is for you to see this document we sent to my inbox. You just need to go to the inbox and wait for this document to arrive. Here we go. You can see the document just arrived. Here it is. Okay, you can select on it. Now click it open. This is the document sent inside my inbox. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel.